Culture at Avigilon, I find, is one of passion about the technology itself, but also very collaborative in terms of helping each other out and move towards our goals.
Apart from the incredible cultural diversity that we have at the workplace, there's also an immense amount of diversity from a technical standpoint.
As one person, I can't make the world a safer place, but here we are creating technologies that are actually making a larger impact.
I'm passionate about building these technologies here in North America. I feel very privileged to build these type of technologies that keep our community safe.
Machine learning, artificial intelligence, and a lot of cool technologies.
We are building exciting cloud technology at Avigilon.
We are a team. We're passionate about technology, innovation, and community.
It's more a lifestyle than just a job. If you're willing to push yourself forward, this could be a great place for you.